Oh, God, forget taking your loss.
Don't know what that was, but that didn't work. Oh, Newcastle have a penalty. We do. All them Wolves fans. Try to put Callum Wilson off. Oh, what a shame. Hello everyone, it is Wolves away late kick-off, which means plenty of time to set off. Bad thing is though, it takes forever to get home. So there's been a crash on the A1, which I've been stuck here now for 45 minutes in Durham. Good job I set off early, isn't it? So this is the kit I take into the stadium. Battery packs, there's two there, another mobile, my DJI which I film in the car and for the last word, and audio recorder. So this is light because some grounds are very, very strict on what you can bring in. So when you come to a lot of away grounds, you tend to find where the best parking spaces are, where to go and meet everybody. So of course the ground is there. We're going to go walk all the way around the ground past the Asda to the fan zone, where we'll see Harry, Sam, and I think Johnny's pal Jackson's here. These two have no ideas that I'm filming them. Haven't got a Scooby-Doo, the pair of them. Look at them. Looking on the phones constantly and haven't got a clue of them.
There he is.
There they are.
Hello, people of the internet.
Harry,
You join me.
We've had a beer.
you can tell.
Or four.
It's Jackson, everybody.
What's up, this?
Pint on you, is it?
Yeah, of course. I didn't know you were coming, sorry.
I'm driving, look, I'm driving. Oh, Sam's straight into them.
You just got the flower in me because you took it shit.
IPA? How is IPA? IPA or lager? Let's vote.
Well, come on then, I need a score. What the beer? What's the beer?
Well, I don't even love it.
Moustache.
Absolutely lovely.
Out of 10?
7.
What's the food like? He's enjoyed it. Out of 10? Well, you're a local, are we?
Yeah, my right, me Bobby.
Jackson has the team news. It's Pope, Trippier, Lascelles, Schär, Byrne, Udo, Longstaff, Joe, as in Linton, Almiron, Gordon and Wilson. We're bench. It's very weak if you scroll up. Can it? But it's literally, there you go. That is we're bench. Look at that, it's pretty weak, isn't it? Dubravka, Gillespie, Dummett, Ritchie, Target, Kraft, Hall, Livermento and Willock. Didn't stop now, however. Right next to the away fans. Yeah, there'll be some banter here, and when they play the famous Aston Villa song, yeah, it gets them going. They need music to get them going. Right, anyone who's never been to Molineux, away fans are all the way along the side of the pitch, which is a little bit difficult to generate an atmosphere, but we'll see how we get on the day. Away the lads! Why do you play Aston Villa songs? You're so fucking weird. This is an Aston Villa song, man. Obsessed with your neighbours. Both Wolves and Newcastle fans singing only one Bobby Charlton. Sean Longstaff has just hit one, just went wide of the goalkeeper. Great chance for Newcastle that within the first 7 minutes.
Callum Wilson! He scored! It's in! Callum Wilson!
You scored that goal. 1-0 to Newcastle. Cunha's just burst through on that left hand side going past Trippier. Great save by Nick Pope to force the corner. Brilliant. Nick Pope's just been forced into save. It was straight at him, but he still had to push it over. Wolves have scored, it's equalised from the corner 35 minutes in. It is 1-1.
Number 5, Mario Lemina!
We'll start singing now because they've been quiet all game. Don't know what that was, but that didn't mean. Oh, Newcastle have a penalty. We do, we've got a penalty. Fabian Schär went down. Anthony Taylor has given it. VAR will check, of course. There's such a long way to give this. This has been now a good 2 minutes. Penalty. It is a penalty. Bruno has the ball, but we all know it's going to be Callum Wilson. All them Wolves fans. Try to put Callum Wilson off. Oh, what a shame. The lad from Coventry has 2 against the West Birmingham. Well, the small town of Birmingham are getting beat now 2-1, and the lad from Coventry is loving it. Nick Pope coming out of goal, getting beat. It's always the scare in the moment, heart in the moment stuff, isn't it? Christ. No penalty, no handball by Bruno. Continue playing. And that's half time. Oh, listen to them boos. Oh, listen to them boos. Oh, they're wonderful. They're absolutely wonderful. Keep it up, lads. Wolves fans are singing that the Premier League are corrupt as fuck because of that VAR decision. They still can't get over it. Now the Newcastle fans are singing Premier League corrupt as fuck. Just to give it back. Wolves have scored. You have to say he took it really well. He took it really well, the Wolves player there. Took it really well. That's the equaliser in the 70th minute. I'll be honest with you, it's been coming. It's been coming. Wolves have obviously been the better side the second half, and they've equalised, and it's 2-2. Should never wish injury on a player, but I think Neto's done his hamstring there, and I think that will help Dan Burn, because he's ripping Dan Burn apart on that wing there. It is absolutely chucking it down. Well, Fabian Schär had a great game defensively, but he should have scored there. He's got a free header, 80th minute. He's only softly put it wide. So we've only got 3 minutes left, but Wolves have been, since he scored that second goal, are playing for a point, all men behind the ball. Can Newcastle break them down? This is the difference now where Newcastle are at. A team like Wolves would have attacked Newcastle 2 years ago. Times have changed, now they park the bus at home. Well, it's finished 2-2. Newcastle couldn't get the breakthrough after Wolves had equalised on the second time. Right, outside the ground. Oh damn! Gotta get in the rain now. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god, we're off to meet Sam and Harry over at Asda, but it's absolutely chucking it to see the ground there. Minging weather. Right, last word done. There's the stadium behind the ambulance. Heading back now to the car, where I'll sit in my car for probably an hour, maybe just a bit more. Edit the match vlog, upload that, and I'll probably end up with some hot food on the way home, and then make a decision what I'm going to do for last word. Do I stop at a service station or do it at home? Decisions. Right everybody, that is a wrap. It's time to edit. This is the pain that you guys don't normally see behind the scenes, but let's get cracking. Let's get this out for you. Hope you've enjoyed it. Drop us a like, that would be wonderful. That would be much appreciated. Last word to come whenever. It's coming though. See you everyone. Bye bye.